Okay, so now we will just do a quick introduction as to how to use Quizlet. So you just, from Google Quizlet. Learning tool. So I am logged in, so I will just log out for 2 seconds. So you can see how it will look for you when you come to the home page. Now, so just up here, you will either click log in or sign up. So I will just log back in for now. And you can log in with Google or Facebook, or you can create an account if you have a different email, or if you prefer to. So I'll just log in with my own account there. And here you can see. Now I will take you to the content that I have attached on Moodle. And this is from Class 1, Nouns and Animal. Now, so these are all the various kind of exercises you can do, and I advise that everyone does them all. So we'll have a look at some of them. So that's a guessing game. So what I always advise people to do first is to look at the flashcards. This way you can learn them first. So house you see here, and then click to flip. Chalk. Then you can go shuffle again. Then you see there, car, core. Or you can come down to this arrow to the next one. Dinner, dinner, apple, ool, child, pasta, pill, pelora, bedroom, shomerlappa, breakfast, brickfasta, house, chalk, and there you go. So then once you have that done, I advise, going over that until you're relatively familiar with them. And then here is where we have all sorts of different games and exercises to help you remember and to test your knowledge on those nouns on the flashcards. So say, for example, we'll go to write. And it will see if you remember the spelling. So car was core. That's probably the easiest one, and then correct. So press any key to continue. So let's say if we get this one wrong, it will make you go again. So say pill, we'll say dinner, which means dinner. And then it tells you the correct one, incorrect, correct. Okay, so back. And then all games are basically the same, just in different forms. Some are spelling, some's test, some's a match. And the gravity game is good as well. I'll show you that one. Get started. You can select how difficult or easy you'd like. Answer with definition, term, or random. So we'll keep it at definition. And then you see the instruction there. So watch out for red asteroids. If you miss a term twice, they will destroy your planet. So ool, you have to translate. Apple. Shomerlappa, bedroom, and so on. So that's a good one, and can get very competitive with yourself. So we will leave it at that. So that's the basic guide to Quizlet. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to email me.